Hello crafty friends, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. It's been so long, I think about 6 months since I've uploaded a YouTube video. I've really missed YouTube and I took a quick break to focus on work and my health and family. So I have been in a funk with the coronavirus, staying busy at work, going into work every day, and this long Memorial Day weekend, I had a chance to relax at home. So last Friday, I had a chance to go ahead and go to my local Daiso, which had limited hours. Their hours were from 12 to 6. And on my way home on Friday, I was able to stop by. I saw somebody post on their Instagram a couple of Hello Kitty finds that she picked up. I don't remember her name, but I may put it in the description box below if you want to follow her. I also have a Hello Kitty IG account as well, separate than this, than the one that I have that's similar to this name, Crafty Poodle Mom. But I'm going to timestamp my Daiso haul, separating it from Hello Kitty, and then I also picked up a whole bunch of Disney themed goodies at Daiso, and then other miscellaneous items. So if you wanted to jump ahead, I will leave the timestamp down in the description box below. So I hope everyone is staying well and healthy, and your loved ones are also well. Let's get started in the video. So these are some super cute items. They're all $1.50 at the Daiso, and these are plastic little Hello Kitty Sanrio little goodies that you can pick up to decorate, you know, your little table, your Hello Kitty table. And I picked up the little, it's like a little, I guess, a drinking water cup and a little plate. And then here's another little cup. It's so super cute. I'm sending out some happy mail, and I'm actually doing a Hello Kitty swap with Anna. Hey, Anna. Serenity Creations, and I have a whole bunch of Hello Kitty paper crafts that I will share in another video, but I wanted to send her a little something because it is her birthday month, and I'm always late for birthdays, so hopefully I'll be able to get this out in time for her so that she can enjoy a little Hello Kitty love from me to her. And this is a little measuring spoon kit. So it's so cute. It's multicolored. And so it's a whole set. This is a little, it's called an earphone case. It's adorable, and that's what it looks like in the inside. This is how I am keeping my little Hello Kitty ephemera. So this is the little ear phone case, and you can wrap it around, or if I wanted to gift ribbon, I could wrap it around this little bow. And these are my little print and cut images from my Cricut. So it's such a cute little box. You can put anything in it, and you can send out as happy mail. But this is how I keep my ephemera in my little Hello Kitty corner. And this is a little McDonald's. This is not Daiso, but this is a little McDonald's tray that I got from a Happy Meal a year ago. So that's cute. And then I picked up some high chews. This is the sweet and sour. Then they had some Hello Kitty little Ziploc bags. There's 25 in here, and you can put little doodads in here and gift them. I may look for more because I think this was the only one, so I'm going to be gifting this. And then this is, there's 20 bags in here. It's such a cute little bag. It's like a shopping bag. It says, "Welcome to Hello Kitty World," and it has her little image in the front. This is a small size shopping bag. And then I think I also picked the medium size one, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that so super cute? It's too cute to pass up, and there's 12 in here. And then this is, I think it looks like, it says it's a travel compression bag, and the images are so super cute. And so I think there's one in here, and I think you can, it says that you can roll up one sweater in this bag, I guess. It's zip locked. I guess it's airtight. And here are some instructions, which I cannot read, but it's pretty self-explanatory. This is what Hello Kitty does to make more room in her little travel suitcase. So that is cute. And then this one, there's 10 of these little bags. It's a zip top bag. And this one says, sweet styles make everyone smile. Little cake, Hello Kitty, and little milk images. So super duper cute. So that's what I picked up. That's Hello Kitty. And let me move on to the Disney theme. So for the Disney themed items that I purchased at Daiso, this is a side dish pack. There it comes in a 4-pack. And it looks like there's 2 of these types of images and 2 of these types of images, and they're red and black containers. So I do have a love for Disney. I do live in Southern California. Whenever we've had a chance to go out to Disney, it's just such an enjoyable experience. So we went to Disney California Adventure earlier this year in January. We're very grateful that we had that chance, and I'm sure Disneyland will be opening soon. But I wanted to put some of my ephemera pieces in here, so just to keep it nice and tidy in this little case. So I picked that up. This is so super cute. It's a little rice mold, and basically you put your little sticky rice in here, and you create a little Mickey ear Disney, perfect size for diabetics. So it's a cute little rice mold. This is a non-slip mat. It's a rubber mat. So if I'm going to be hot gluing anything, I can use this mat and safely apply it on the mat so it doesn't stick anywhere with my hot glue. So I thought I'd pick that up. This is a super duper cute Minnie Mouse bag, and it does say Daiso on the bottom, Disney, and her little Minnie Mouse image. Super sweet. There's 5 little bags in here, and that is too cute to pass up. Then I found the Alice in Wonderland themed. This is so cute. I found these. This was $1.50, I believe. Or was it $2? I don't remember. It could be $2. It's a silicone cake mold. And Mickey's face and hands. So cute. Too cute. And then I found these. The little Minnie Mouse, Mickey, and of course Piglet. I love Piglet. So these little sweet pens will be in my little Mickey selection of goodies. I found some stickers. These are too cute. Little cupcake stickers. Disney earrings in gold and in like a rose gold color. So cute. So I picked one of each for myself, and this is what the backs look like. Oh, are these clip-ons? No, they're, oh, I think they're clip-ons. They could be clip-ons. I didn't even notice. But they're cute. So I picked them up. And I found some masking tape. That's too cute. I imagine I would be using it to decorate some envelopes with the little stickers here if I write a little note, or some snail mail. And lastly, I picked this up. It says, "Let's go on an adventure," and they're little craft deli boxes. And I think this one is already made. So this is what it looks like. And then there's another one in here as well. I think there's 3. Yeah, there's 3 boxes in here. Too cute. You can put little Happy Mail in that. And then I also found this. This is a zipper file case, an A5 size. And I've been getting into vinyl lately, so I was thinking of doing something with this where I can just add some vinyl in the front here. And it's zippered, and you can put a ton of different things in here to send out as Happy Mail. So I just bought one just to try it out. I have so many things in my craft studio that I can really use. I shouldn't be buying more stuff, but of course, how can we pass up any of the cute things that we do find on our little treasure hunts at Daiso? So lastly, these are some plastic pocket folder albums, and I purchased one in like a purple blue hue. These are my favorite colors. And then this is like a rainbow color that I'm gifting. And there's 20 pockets in here. And what I was thinking about doing was I am in a subscription for La La Land Crafts. And so every month they have their design team, and Amador is actually my inspiration. Whenever he posts any of their Club La La Land craft projects, it's absolutely adorable. His cards are super duper cute. So I had to subscribe, and I've been a subscriber since January as my first kit. So what I have done is whenever we get the gold envelope, I have not had a chance to play with these dies. So it comes with dies and stamps. What I like to do is keep them all together. So the plastic is a little flimsy, but it holds everything together in this book. And I wanted to keep it together. So I have the little kit, the dies, and the stamps. So that was my January kit. This is the February kit. And then this is the March kit. And then the recent one is the April kit. I think I'm going to be doing a project with this one. It is too cute. Lastly, I found some iridescent shred. This is super duper cute for Happy Mail packaging. I found this like a cherry blossom with rainbows, little masking tape. It's a landscape. I picked up 2. Then I picked up 2 of these. It's a little die cut memo pad of the little unicorn, and it says dream on the front. There's 100 sheets. You can put that on your desk. This is what it looks like inside. Cute. Then I found these. I think I saw a couple people haul these last year, but I never got them in my store, so I was so grateful to have found these. Little carousel. Today is the perfect day. Little carousel themed. A flat paper bag. It doesn't have a gusset, so there's 10 in a pack. Also, I found these. These are so cute. 6 pieces of the zipper bag. And there's little macaroons on them and a little cupcake. Look at that little cupcake. That is so adorable. Little unicorn cupcake. And then I found these. There's 6 in this pack, and this is the Ziploc version. And lastly, this is a gusseted gift bag. I guess it's a clear bag. There's 12 in a pack, and it comes with little twist ties. So super cute. And I guess on the top, when you use the twist ties to wrap it up, then it has the little the striped purple stripes on the top. So cute. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. I will be coming back with a couple of project shares. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.